Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, and that is,
Christy,
and
hello.
we are back. And baby girl's right over there. Woof woof. And we are getting ready to do another video with our friends over at AZDOME on their Ford channel dash cam. Christy, are you ready to come along?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it. This is the part where we always ask people to say, hey, thank you for coming to our channel and watching it. We can't believe we've got so many subscribers popping up and coming to watch this video and all of our videos right here on We Review You. Christy, what's this segment right now?
What's in the box?
What's in the box? That's exactly right. It's what's in the box. So in case you've not been here, this is a segment where we unbox all the packaging, let you guys know what you're going to be able to get, and kind of go through the whole process. Now, I want to give a apology right off the bat to our friends and our rep over at AZDOME. I've had some things going on in our lives that have changed that stopped me and Christy from, or I should say Christy and I, from being able to get some of these videos done in a timely manner. So I told my rep, I plumb forgot, didn't I, Chris? This one sat, and I've got so many videos that came in, and after Mom had passed, it seems like a lot of this stuff just kind of went to the side. So, hey, that's a great time to remind people, don't forget to hit that like, share, and
subscribe.
Yep, tune in and turn on that notification so you guys, if you like videos like this, product reviews, we try to go through and be as detailed and as honest as we can in these reviews. So, all right, you have the main unit. And Christy, the difference between this, as I showed you, it's really cool. The main unit actually has 3 cameras, or as we say in the techie world, 3 channels built into it that allows you to video not only the front, but it allows you to video both of your sides. And then with the bonus, you've got a rear dash camera. Wow. So you actually have, 4 channels that you're able to record.
So you're covered, the whole car.
The whole vehicle, whatever you're in for. And with the ADAS, remember, just like the ones that are in our vehicles now, this gives you 4 points of view. And so actually the security is, now they're actually looking cameras to the right and left windows. So you'll actually be able to record what goes on to the right and to the left, to me, giving you the most maximum amount. It's almost like 360 degrees of video, right?
Yeah.
Pretty cool as these things are coming out. So, all right, the one thing you guys and gals will want to know about these dash cameras is, and again, thank you for your patience to our friends over at AZDOME for being patient while we got this video together. Anyway, Christy, you should say why you got yours act together, right?
Yeah.
All right, so no excuses. Back to the videos, back to the projects, and more coming out from us right here on We Review You. Wow, what a cool bunch of stuff they give you as I look. All of the video that you're going to see today, guys and gals, was shot on our Samsung Galaxy Ultra S24. So be on the lookout for those if you're looking for a great phone. We do a lot of our videos with that, and we're actually using our Fifine wireless lavalier microphones, which we find to work really well in studio and out. But we love our mics. Thank you guys again to our friends over at Fifine and to our friends over at Samsung for making such a wonderful phone that we're able to do all these videos on. But I love the capability of doing 4K high definition videos, don't you, Chris?
Oh yeah.
Yep. So electrostatic film, why do you need that? Well, when you go to install it, you clean your windows real well, and you want to make sure that you're putting that down in a suitable spot where the dash cam will be permanently mounted. And with the 3M tape, don't forget the M660 and any of the cameras that you put in will go. You can always take them off, but it will not be an easy task. So the M660 dash cam, left and right side, which is connected, of course, and then you have your rear camera for a total of 4 cameras or 4 channels of videography. You do have the USB Type-C car charger. It's a USB and Type-C, I should say. You have the data cable. You have the adhesive bracket, the spare stickers. I see a typo there. Electrostatic sticker ×2, one for the front, one for the rear. The cable clips and a pry tool, which will come in really handy when you're going to put that under the rubber stripping and under the molding of your vehicle. All right, product diagram will show you pretty much what you're looking at. And I'm going to take you guys out here in just a few minutes. We'll go out to the car and I'll walk you around and show you a couple things. I know we're going to probably get asked, why didn't you do the full installation? Once again, I want to let you know all of our vehicles have some wonderful products in it, and I don't want to have to go through removing them every time I get a new dash cam, but I do want to at least go through some of the steps to install it, about the product, and then I also want to show you why Christy and I feel the dash cams are very important. They're always going to be special to me because the very first video that I did with We Review You was on what? A dash cam.
Dash cam, that was our first one.
Very first video. So, all right, I'm about ready to go out and take you guys outside. It's a lovely day. Let you guys see a little bit of view of the Great Smoky Mountains, the area we call home. talk to you more about this wonderful AZDOME dash camera, the M660. Link will be in the description as always. Let's go outside. You guys can see what I'm talking about. You can see the Camaro has a dash camera on that one. As you can see, the Mazda, it's got a dash camera already on that one. And here we are at the front of the truck, which I'm doing another product video. That's why I've got the hood open. I'm showing a jump starter box here in a minute. But as you can see, I also do have a dash camera here. So when people ask me, why are you not hooking it up? I just wanted to show you guys that's the reason. I didn't feel I needed to explain, but I did want you guys to see there is really cool reasons that I've kept the ones that I have in place. But it does stink because once you've installed one, I hate to change it out just to install it. So that's the reason why. But we're going to go back and I'm going to show you guys some of those cool features now. And right off the bat, I got to give a shout out and an apology to our friends over at AZDOME, at AZDOME. I had gotten this and I had forgot all about it. I've had some things pop up in my life here recently, some things that have taken me away from being able to focus, but I'm back on it now. And I apologize to our friends over at AZDOME, but they did send me the M660 4-channel dash cam. As they say, enjoy your smart driving. So the what's in the box segment, I'm going to go ahead and skip to it because, again, I'm going to tell you guys right off the bat, you may have seen some of our other videos that I've done. I've got a really nice unit that I've got put in here now in my truck mounted. I went ahead and installed that. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys now, show you guys the unboxing. I'm going to show you guys my pointers on it, but I will not be installing, or repeat, I will not actually be installing. I have gotten this is probably my 8th dash cam. If you guys check out the product links in the description, or if you check out our playlist, you'll see I've got several of these in every one of our vehicles. So I'm actually not going to be putting this in. I just don't have a need for 10 or 12 dash cams in here, right? But I did want to tell you guys the things that I thought was really cool about this as we're going down the line. So I'll tell you again what's in the box. Of course, you have the Mace unit, and then you do have all of the components that you would expect to have. There's your wiring for it. The little tool, I'll show you guys in a minute. This thing is priceless right here. See this little guy? These things are priceless. When you go and stick this up underneath the channel and you go to put your wiring in, as you can see how effortless I'm doing that, makes it so easy to snake your wiring up so that you can't see it, just like you can see up over here. And there is an install kit that's available. If you want to look on their website, they do have an install hardwire kit, I should say. But there is the rear camera, and the only thing I can tell you guys right off the bat about this company versus the others that I've seen is check out how you can position the cameras. Now that's the rear. Check this out. Front facing camera, but look what you can do to the sides. So you can actually put that out to the side, to your car video, to the left and to the right sides. Hold on, let me show that. There you go. See what I mean? So when it's in your vehicle, right, each car, truck, whatever is different, you can actually point those in the direction of the right and left mirrors, looking out the windows. Isn't that awesome? And they do swivel as well. So as you can see, I've turned that down. Isn't that cool? I've never seen a dash cam that did that. That is really cool. So now I understand the reason they're saying 4 channels. You've got your front channel, your 2 side channels, and your rear channel for a total of 3 different channels. That is really, really awesome. That is really cool. So the what's in the box is exactly what you'd think. All the wiring that you'd need, 3M tape, adhesive tape, your owner's manual. That'll tell you all about the installation. And of course, this is the static film that actually goes on your window. This, see it up here? You want to put that on. It's electrostatic sticker. Hard to say that. Say that twice. Electrostatic sticker. Electrostatic sticker. Electrostatic sticker. That goes on the windshield. So I'll go ahead and tell you guys this now. What you'll do on any dash camera, follow along, is you want to make sure that you lay out the wiring first, right? So you want to unsort all of this wiring, get all the ties, untie everything, and lay it out. So that way you know you're going to have one that goes to your 12-volt adapter. In the old days, we called it a cigarette lighter, 12-volt adapter. And then you're going to have to remember how far is it going to need to stretch to get to the back of your vehicle. Now, I'm in a 2013 Ford F-150 XLT pickup truck, and I do have the sliding rear view mirror. So the only problem that I have is where would I mount it? Now I'm kind of thinking about on top of that headrest. The only problem is these things are supposed to be centered. So you do want to have it centered to the top of the rear view mirror, and then in the back you want to have it centered, especially for the ADAS controls. You want to make sure that those are centered. So I'm trying to think if that would work. If not, I'm trying to think of an option since I don't use the rear headrest. I'm trying to think of an option for that. So I'm going to have to pause on the rear view camera. But on the front camera, you would still be able to have 3 channels of that working. You would have the front channel and you'd have the 2 side channels as well. So keep that in mind. Make sure you have enough wiring laid out for the project at hand. Make sure that you know exactly where you're going to be running that, and then just run your wiring. It's very, very simple and easy to do. Once you've got that connected, all you're really doing is going to snake that wire up underneath those frame rails, like I said. And on mine, I just snaked it right up underneath these. You guys will find that on your vehicle as well. And then up underneath the channel here, as you can see. I didn't have to take apart anything. It runs all the way to the very back on all my vehicles. Now, with the exception of this one, I did not put one, started coughing here. I did not put one here because of that issue, but my Camaro has one. The Mazda has one as well. So, there you go. I love it. So that's our friends over at AZDOME on their 4-channel dash cam M660 model, and the things that it boasts about is 4K 1K front and rear, and then the sides 2K 1K 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 I can't make this stuff up, built-in 5 gigahertz wireless, GPS tracking, and built-in 128 gigabyte card. That's pretty cool. So you've actually got built-in storage. I like that. Easy to see controls right on the very front. That's our friends over at AZDOME. So again, I thank you guys for your patience in waiting for me to get this video out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you do hit the like, share, and subscribe if you like this video and all of our videos here on We Review You. We sure enjoy it. We have a great time doing it. We thank you guys for hitting that subscribe button and following us along on our journey. I never would have thought we would be where we're at today, having people like AZDOME and other people waiting in line for us to do product reviews for them. It's a great feeling, and I can't thank you all for being a part of it. I'm Sean, and this was another product review video right here on We Review You. Take care, everybody. I'm out. You know, Christy, there's nothing better than having, as I'm showing you right now, the ability to record in high definition 4K front and rear. And once again, this is why I did not remove any of my dash cams. This is one that's in my Camaro. Or as lately it's become Mama's Camaro, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So you guys don't understand the dynamic. As I approach this stoplight, one of many things could happen, especially to young drivers. You know, it doesn't matter how old you are, and I'm not stereotyping or picking on anybody. I'm just saying you never know what's going to happen. You're sitting at a light and you get smacked. It's happened to Christy and I. Or you make a turn here, you know you've got the green light and you're driving off. And something would happen. Well, in this case, what I love about a front and rear dash camera, and now the ability to record on both sides, as you look at the beautiful Great Smoky Mountains where we call home, is the ability to record in real time, not only your speed, but your GPS location, things like that, that one day may very well suit you in a court of law. Maybe you'll need it for a ticket. Maybe you'll need to show somebody something. It actually will record everything that you do. And so as you see passing, the things that you do, all that's documented, all that's recorded on a dash camera. So God forbid the day would ever come that you may need it. At least I'd rather feel safer than sorry. This is Sean with We Review You. Thanks for watching this video and all of our videos right here on We Review You. Take care, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Melody music, take it away. What have you got to say today?
Tired of searching for library music? Find the perfect track in seconds. AI search, intuitive tags, search exclusions, fresh, curated, original by award-winning artists, trusted by major brands and creators. No copyright strikes, just great music. Melody.
Melody music, that's where I get my music. You get yours too. Hey, like Ferris said, it's over. Why are you still here? I mean, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I mean, we appreciate it, but
Ferris.
It's over. Go home. Go. Hey, we want to thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts for watching this video and all of our videos right here on We Review You. More coming. More videos like this one, or well, you get the idea. watch one of the videos. There are more coming up right now on We Review You. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care, everybody.